Hello there, I'm Barak Tunayer with Halstead, and today on this glorious fall morning, I just took the 2nd Avenue subway to come here. The Q train, it's a total game changer for the entire area. Also, this location here is so easy to get on the FDR Drive if you're heading out east. The building has wonderful amenities, has a health club, a lounge, a swimming pool, a roof deck with 360 degrees views. It is absolutely breathtaking. And what a great way to come home. This spacious lobby here at the Plymouth Tower. You have very friendly staff 24 hours a day. You got 1, 2, 3 elevators plus service behind those doors. So as soon as you walk into apartment 26A, the first thing that you notice is the amazing view looking west. You can see all the way to 2nd Avenue, 3rd Avenue and beyond. This layout is pretty traditional. You have a great dining area here. It spills right into the kitchen. Any size furniture that you like. What does a man need to do to get a steak around here? This guy's so annoying, always wants to eat. So the kitchen, upgraded stainless steel appliances, lots of room for prep. Connects right into the dining room right here with this guy. Let's take a look at the rest of it now. This room, it's a beautiful, spacious room, that view again, and you have a wonderful closet space right here, as well as at the hallways. Hey, that's not bad. Well, there you have it, apartment 26A at the Plymouth Tower, 340 East 93rd Street. Great location. Come see me, Barak Tunayer, Halstead, and I'll be happy to show you.